What's up, guys? Welcome. Crypto FUD. Let's jump right into this one. All right, so a quick video, quick update on Dogelon. We have, continued our movement down. We haven't crashed or anything like that, but we have been steadily moving down for the last few weeks. We did hit a local low. It was yesterday, I believe, around 32.50. We did move up. It looked like it wanted to start shooting up, and then it kind of just got rejected right at this fib, the 618. Remember, this 618 was some support. A lot of times when it breaks, it will flip into resistance, and that's exactly what's going on right now. Is we've basically touched that 618 a few times, two times to be exact, and we've been rejected. So I think if we keep testing the 618, we're eventually going to break it, and we'll start moving. Maybe on our way back up. Maybe this could be some nice like a V-shaped recovery kind of thing. This line that I have drawn right here. Well, I didn't draw it, but it's a 200-day moving average. And if you can see, it happened a few times, not exactly, but it looks like a few times where we bounced off that 200-day. We did break below the 200-day, but if you can see, we bounced a couple times, and that's when we kind of shot up the last time we bounced off the 200-day. And if you can see right where we kind of hit that local low, we almost touched the 200-day moving, which is the 200 days around 31.60. And like I said, we touched at around 32.50. So maybe that could be a line in the sand where, that could be the spot where the buyers were going to come in naturally and maybe just keep rescuing, the price as far as when we keep bouncing off that 200-day and moving us up towards the 618. Again, like I keep saying, we need to maybe retest the 618 maybe one or two more times, and eventually we will break it. Bitcoin, if you can see on the bottom of the screen over here to the left, Bitcoin looks like it's moving a little bit today. It's at 21.6. Yesterday we had some pretty rough times. Not rough, but I mean, Bitcoin's been really just struggling. It really has been struggling. And it's not has nothing to do with Bitcoin. It's just the whole market in general has really been pulling everything down. The tech stocks. I mean, even Tesla. I know Tesla's not in our particular realm, but Tesla does kind of go with Bitcoin a lot. Not necessarily in parallel, but they're just they all go in the same category. And with Tesla yesterday was down like a dollar. I mean, 170 from 2 days ago. It was at 200, so it was down a considerable amount. The DXY was rallying the last few days, and it looks like it's down today about 22 cents. This is obviously pre-market, so I just bring all that stuff up because you have to take in consideration a lot of this stuff whenever you're invested in the crypto, because unfortunately crypto is intertwined with the stock market, unfortunately. So I'm going to keep this video nice and short. I just wanted to come up with a quick update for you guys. Again, not financial advice, but this could be a good opportunity for you guys to just keep adding to the bags. Or if you're sitting on the side, this could be a good time to buy in. Maybe if you're looking for a little bit better of a price, maybe you might see us bounce down at this 200. If we are going to bounce off the 200, it's going to be somewhere around that 31.8 mark by the time it comes back down over here. Because remember, the 200 days kind of moving slowly. It's moving slowly up, but I think it's about to go on a flat line if we don't continue our rally up. And then again, remember, this is an average, so if we're moving down, the average is going to probably start moving down eventually as well. So I'm just going to leave it there. 618 is going to be at spot of some good resistance. We definitely need to test it a couple times at the 3.5. I don't doubt that eventually we will break past all this again. We got to get back into this bullish narrative. We had a nice run. I don't think we're going to go back down to local lows. Those like the 2-3 where we hit that bottom. I don't see that coming unless Bitcoin and the whole market, takes a crazy dump again. And I'm talking about like 19,000 Bitcoin. If that's the case, then you're going to see us dropping back and retesting these lows. But for right now, I think we're eventually we're gonna find a bottom, and I think it's going to be around this 200 day. We might break a little bit below it, down here at the 786, which would be the 29. And I think from around there, anywhere from where we're at, from the 200 day at the 3.1 to about the 2.9 is going to be our bottoms that we're going to probably see, and then we'll probably see maybe it gets boring and it gets stagnant dips a little bit before, a little bit below, maybe, stays around this mark or this 200-day mark. But eventually we will be moving up and we will get to local highs again. And eventually everything will get bullish again and we will break past all this stuff. So stay strong, all my Dogelon family out there. Good luck with everything. Make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel so you can get instant alerts whenever I post videos. Thank you guys. Have a great day.